Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is a blueberry muffin recipe. Trust me, it tasted amazing. First, let's make a crumble topping. In a bowl, add 70 grams of all-purpose flour, 70 grams of granulated sugar, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, and 50 grams of melted butter. Give a rough mix to make a crumble-like consistency. Next is the wet ingredients. In a bowl, add 130 grams of granulated sugar, an egg, 50 grams of yogurt, 110 ml of vegetable oil, 70 ml of milk, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Whisk it thoroughly to combine all the ingredients. Now the dry ingredients. Add 170 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and quarter teaspoon salt. Mix thoroughly with the spatula. In a bowl, coat 130 grams of blueberries with 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. Now combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Make sure to avoid any lumps. Add the blueberries to this mixture and mix it well. Fill the flour in a muffin tin lined with parchment paper or muffin cups. Use the crumble and few blueberries as topping. Bake the muffin in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. The delicious muffin is ready. Do give it a try and share the feedback. Thank you. See you soon.